Okay, so now we will set up our application. First, we will create a public directory and also created a server directory. So this is for front end and this is for back end. So inside the public directory, we have to first step is we have to install some dependencies. So we open terminal and install some dependencies. So I have already installed it. Like here is my dependencies, and we have to also install for some dependencies for server. So we install it in another terminal. So here is dependencies. Sorry, here are some dependencies. So inside the public directory, I will write npx create react app chat app. npx यहाँ से करता हूँ यहाँ से npx create react app chat app, ये हमारे ऐप का नाम है. इधर पे हम लाइब्रेरी इंस्टॉल करेंगे रिएक्ट की. एंड आफ्टर दिस वी कम टू द अनदर टर्मिनल फॉर सर्वर एंड हेयर वी विल राइट npm init -y for default. And now we will install some dependencies. So we will need express, mongoose, nodemon, socket.io, bgrip, chorus, dot env, and then this all we will install. So now inside the server, create new file. We will create index.js. So I already created it. So this is my index.js file. So you start your nodemon server. So let's move in index.js of the server and set up your application. Move in index.js of the server and set up our server. So we will need express and chorus, mongoose routes, message routes, and also we call app, and we use middleware. And here is my connection, and here is my API, and here is my server. So this all I created in index.js file. First we will need some dependencies. So I installed already installed dependencies. First we will need some dependencies. So I install the dependency. So first we will install axios. Axios is used for API calling. Then we will use style component for styling and use react router DOM for routing. So here is our all dependencies which I already installed it. So inside the React app, I created some folder, utils, page, components, and asset. Inside the asset, we put some logo, created component. Inside the component, we created chat container, chat input, contact.js, logout, avatar, and this all. And inside the page folder, I created register.jsx file, login, chat, and we created register page. So here is my register page code, and then here is my login page, and here is my chat page. So after this, we created welcome page, and here is my set avatar page and logout functionality, and all contact is in this code. And chat container, like this container manage all our chats and all our features. And here is our chat input. So this all works in React app. And now come to the server. So I close this. Hmm. For server, we created routes, models, controllers. So first step is here we use middleware and connect their server, and also use here APIs and this all. So .env file, here is our MongoDB URL, and here I define the port. And so first is we define the routes. So we created route for login, for register, and all users. For I created 5 routes, and then we created model like a schema. After this, we created a schema for users and user schema also. And then come to the controller. So here is our user controller for user, and here is my message controller for message. And then this all process done, I start the server. So like first in first terminal, I close this, come to the public cd command directory public. Okay, so here is our second terminal. Here we can run our server and npm start. So here is our server is started and the connection is successful. So now we will run our React app. So using this command, run our server. Okay, so here my server is started. Okay, so here is our sign up page. So like I put here name and I put here my Gmail and write some password. Okay, so now we will click on create user. Okay, so our user is created, so we can choose avatar according to us. Okay, so here I log in. So here is our users who already enrolled in. So if we want to chat Ram, so we can send the messages Ram into. Okay, so our message is sent, and we can also log out here from here. So like I log in second user, and in the second server. Okay, so I log in both account. So here is receive ID and here is user ID. So we send a message like hi. So send it from here, and I got the message. Yes, here message yes. I am here and send the messages, and this message got user. So this is my chat API, who is real time chat API. So I have created. Thank you.